Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm going to talk to you about our HeadSight height control. So our height sensors, benefits here are the poly arms, so that we're not taking all the abuse into our sensors. So once we've got a good sensor sensing as far forward as we possibly can, now we can turn around and use our controllers. The most advanced is our Horizon system. It allows us to display all information on a virtual terminal in the combine. That allows us to get our pinpoint diagnostics, so your 3 dots, that's showing your 3 wires going to each sensor. We can tell you the health of the wiring. We can tell you from the connector on the back of the head where that wire is broke. And then on top of that, we can give you the best performance. So anytime the snout tip is able to touch the ground, it's now free to move on its pivot point. When it does, we lose about 70% of the movement of the sensor itself. So you've deadened your entire system. With our controller, we bring all that lost sensitivity back so that when you're running on the ground for down corn or chopping, we can keep you just as accurate on the ground as what you were off the ground, fully protecting the head and able to feed through the crop the best. Up next, I'll cover our TrueSight system. That is our steering. So our sensor here will feed. It is one sensor that comes back and touches 2 rows of corn. That allows us to keep dead center on the row for any crop conditions. If we've got down, leaning, or gooseneck crop, we know exactly where center is. That gives us the best feeding possible. With our TrueSight, we've had some testing done in the ground or at harvest time versus a operator that knows he's being tested. Our TrueSight system gives us an average bushel back of 0.3 to 0.7 come harvest time on head loss gain. Also allows us to give you a lot less stress as an operator. You can focus more on the machine settings and its functionality and feeding through the machine. So if you have any other questions, any other information, please see us on our website or give us a call.